How much is it? 90. Mahal. Christmas na talaga. Wala, cute siya. Necklace. Cute si Santa.
The owner of a Ford King Ranch truck and trailer, wife, needs to move your vehicle right now.
It's right here, bro.
Christmas season na talaga. Christmas tsaka Halloween. Halloween stuff. Hadlock eh. Hinahanap ko yung asawa ko. Saan kayo napunta yun? Nagbili siya ng mga tolls. Kasi may pupuntahan kami. Ito na pala siya.
Hi there.
You are not yet finished?
Huh?
You are done?
Almost.
Oh. You buy some wire again?
Yeah, what I would do is if I can use my wire, I will use my wire, but I want to show them the receipt that I bought wire.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I'll bring it back if I need to.
Okay. I think this my cactus you wanna separate for the receipt.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can leave it there though.
Yeah, you are done?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Let's go. Because the
Beep, beep, beep,
oops,
beep, beep, beep.
careful. Okay. Magbayad na. For sure. Oops. Relax here. Careful, my cactus.
Why I stopped.
Oh, see? The flowers?
Oh, you can go back on.
Oh my God. Maybe I put inside. Maybe I put inside.
Okay. So you can hold it?
Yeah. Pahugaw ba? Doon ako sa ato para mabantayan. Okay. Ito yun ang mabuti. So, yun guys, Nagbaon ko grapes at saka mango. Ito na lang naiwan.